Ow, that's bright. Yeah. Hello friends. Today I brought my parents back here to Level Canyon because they wanted to check it out. And it's a special day today because we're celebrating my mom's birthday. Are you excited, Mom?
Yeah.
It's your birthday.
Yeah, 65.
Well, hey friends, real quick. I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Potensic. They sent me this Atom drone to test out, and so far I am loving it as my first ever drone. It combines quality with simplicity, making it perfect for anyone who wants to capture epic aerial shots without the hassle. Ooh, quick start. Setup is pretty straightforward, so you can be up in the air in minutes. Ouch. This drone is, in my opinion, quite beginner friendly, but it has features that even advanced users can appreciate. I received the Fly More combo, which includes the drone and remote controller itself, extra propellers, extra batteries, a fast charging hub, a carrying case to keep it all neatly packed together, and for a limited time, it also includes a 64GB SD card.
Remote control not connected.
Oops.
Connected.
Woohoo! Okay, now let's go test it outside. Okay, now that I got the basics figured out, let's go over to a bigger field so that I can test it out better. Wah! Okay, so while my parents are setting up, ooh, that sun is bright. Let's go over here. Hi, Tyson. We came out here for a sunset dinner. Sorry, it is still really, really bad. Oh, you brought all the tables.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
Here we go. I think this place, this right here is better. Anyway, as I was saying, for my mom's birthday, we are making steak and corn and some veggies. So let's get started. To grill the steaks, we're going to try something new today. My mom got this. This is the Chef Master Smokeless Indoor Barbecue Grill. Apparently, you can just use this and put it on top of like a regular gas stove. My mom said she got this at Koreatown a bit ago and haven't used it yet. I'm excited to give this a try.
Alright.
On. Seasoning for 10 minutes, okay? Cheers.
So this is the grill, apparently.
Okay,
Nice.
Wow.
That looks cool. So my dad is doing the grilling because I'm not good at cooking a steak, so he's kind of taking over on that, which is fine because I will be in charge of the sides. Meanwhile, I'm inside the van. Hi, Mom. Oh, shoot. And we're going to use the Omnia oven to cook the sides. I'm using the silicone lid this time because someone suggested that it would be easier cleanup. Where'd all the salt and pepper go? Oh. A little bit of salt, some pepper, garlic powder. And if you recall, I love lots of garlic. Like I said, I really love garlic. Just gonna dump some garlic in. Some ranch seasoning. And for kicks, everything bagel seasoning, my favorite ingredient. Some butter. This is probably not the best way to do it. Butter here, butter there, butter, butter. So we're also making some corn.
Too much, right?
I actually put more everywhere else.
Done?
Is that gonna fit?
Or one more?
Okay. It'll be fine. I forgot one ingredient to throw in the Omnia oven. The rosemary.
Oh, smells good. So good.
We had some leftover rosemary that we threw on top of the steak. I came to check up on how it was doing, and evidently my dad says it's just about done.
Yes, this is probably ready now. This part. Yeah.
Yeah?
So we can cut this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Dad's cutting it to see if it's perfect, and evidently it's perfect.
How is it?
Very
Good?
good, very good, very good.
You try the leftover piece.
Mmm.
Good?
Yeah, very good.
I'm hungry. Oh. Good.
What do you think, Tyson? You smell steak? Smells good, huh?
This is ready too.
A little change in plans. My dad just finished grilling the steaks. Apparently, that goes fast. I didn't realize. See, I'm not great at grilling steaks. So we're gonna transfer the corn from the Omnia oven over to the grill. That's too much salt.
It's okay, it's okay.
啊，不要踩，用这个。
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, smells good. So good.
Okay, checking on the cauliflower. Smells really good. It might actually be done. Mom's supposed to sit back and relax, but she's pitching in while
That's mom.
my dad and I are taking pictures of the sunset.
looks good, right?
That does look good. That is also an interesting way of doing it. That's funny. Tai. Okay. Okay, while the cauliflower still needs to be cooked a little longer,
Sorry.
apparently the corn still needs to be grilled a little bit, the sun has set, let me show you guys around camp. I've camped in Level Canyon before. Apparently my parents have also camped here before, but let me show you around this particular campsite. Okay, so there's the paved road and the entrance. Right when you come in, it kind of looks like there's two different campsites. There's this side and this side, which I guess like if you're doing a group camping, you can kind of be here. But over there is a fire pit and back over there's another fire pit. So we parked on this side. Looks like there's space here to fit, you know, my parents' van. And then there's this nice big spot for a picnic. Plenty of trees for shade. They do have fire rings, like I said previously, at all of these sites, but there's signs everywhere saying that there are fire restrictions, so unfortunately we can't build a campfire.
What? 你可以开啊。Thank you.
What?
啊？因为这个要 can open. I need can open.
You mean bottle opener?
Yeah.
That was hard.
这个不要。
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, you're cutting the pieces too big.
Too big? Are you sure?
No, I guess not.
Mm.
Roasted garlic. Oh,
That's
shoot.
so good.
Yeah, it's just butter.
Cheers. Happy birthday to Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Wow.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Happy
right?
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
那是饭。
给狗吃一个。
等一下再，你现在给它吃了，等一下它就开始。
开始。
I don't know, Tyson. I don't think I can share any of this with you. What are you growling at? Mmm.
够是对。
它不叫就不给它吃，等一下再来给它。还有芝麻肉呢。
It's gotten kind of chilly, so I need to grab my jacket. Ooh. Oh, now it's dark.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Did you go explore?
Yeah.
What's down there?
Actually,
This is a road?
yeah, look at this.
Oh. I guess if you had like an off-road vehicle. Are you okay? Tyson, are you exploring with him?
Good boy. Good boy. You good boy? Come on.
We're just exploring around camp now. It's so sad that we can't make a fire. Because it's kind of like chilly and it would be so nice. But at least we get to see a beautiful view of this sunset and these pink skies. What are you doing?
Maybe there are some animals there.
My dad started throwing rocks,
Come on.
and I didn't know why. Apparently, in case there are like animals around, coyotes or whatever, he's trying to scare them away.
Watch this. Also there. That tree.
Which tree? That big tree?
Really?
Yeah.
One more time. Right there. Come on. 这里滑滑，但那边有大石头挡住了，所以他就从这边开下来。啊？嗯。Cool.
Whoa. That is cool.
Yeah.
Grandma's spoiling Tyson.
Don't put on the ground.
Well, yeah, he does that. Yeah, put a plate on the ground.
Right here.
Mom turned on the stove again and she's heating up her hams. Okay, so there's still kind of a soupy, buttery, delicious concoction at the bottom. And my mom came up with the genius idea of dipping the now cold steaks in the butter. The nice, warm, hot butter. Delicious butter. Yeah. Tyson, get out of the fire pit. What are you doing? Oh, Tyson, stop. That's what I tried to tell you. You're like, it's fine. And I'm like, no, it's not. I tried to warn you, Dad. Okay. It's getting cold, so I snuck inside the van to try to warm up. As soon as that sun sets, it gets cold real fast. Oh God, the light is so bad there.
Ribeye. Here. First. Listen.
What? What happened? What happened?
Nothing.
I don't know what I was thinking. Ow.
That's stupid.
Ow. Ow. Okay, it's filming you. Filming this. Hey, why are you barking?